Every second-declension masculine noun you have met ends in us, but a few of them throw that ending away. The word for boy keeps no ending at all.
Puer.
The word for man does the same.
Vir.
Today you learn the nouns that lost their us and the one form that tells you how to decline them. 14 new words beginning with the nouns. First, the 3 that drop their ending.
Puer.
A boy, masculine.
Ager.
A field, masculine. Watch this one, its base is shorter than it looks.
Vir.
A man or a hero, masculine. Now 2 feminine nouns of the first declension.
Copia.
Plenty, abundance. In the plural, it means troops, forces.
Lorica.
A coat of mail, a corselet. Now 2 neuter nouns.
Premium.
A reward, a prize.
Scutum.
A shield and 2 proper names.
Cornelius.
Cornelius, a Roman man.
Roma.
Rome. Now the rest. 3 adjectives and they declare their gender forms aloud.
Legionarius, legionaria, legionarium.
Legionary, belonging to the legion, as a noun in the plural, legionary soldiers.
Liber, libera, liberum.
Free, as a noun in the plural, it means children, the freeborn.
Pulcher, pulcra, pulcrum.
Pretty, beautiful. And the 2 small words to finish.
Apud.
Among or with, it takes the accusative.
Sed.
But here is why these nouns look stripped down. In the earliest Latin, every masculine noun of the second declension ended in os. Later, that became us in most words, but when a word's base ended in the letter r, the ending fell off entirely. So the word for boy, the word for field, and the word for man stand bare in the nominative, with no us at all.
Puer, ager, vir.
Decline the 3 together in the singular reading boy, field, man across each line. Nominative.
Puer, ager, vir.
Genitive.
Pueri, agri, viri.
The ending is long I dative.
Puero, agro, viro.
Long O accusative.
Puerum, agrum, virum.
When ablative.
Puero, agro, viro.
Long O again. Now look closely. In the word for boy, the E stays the whole way through. In the word for field, the E appears only in the nominative, then vanishes. In the first word, the E belongs to the base. In the second, it was merely inserted to ease the nominative. The genitive is your key. It shows the true base, and it tells you which pattern to follow. Now the plural. These follow the second declension exactly, just like the word for master. Nominative.
Pueri, agri, viri.
Long I genitive.
Puerorum, agrorum, virorum.
ORUM dative.
Pueris, agris, viris.
Long IS accusative.
Pueros, agros, viros.
Long O S ablative.
Pueris, agris, viris.
Long IS again. Notice the dropped E in the word for field stays gone through every plural form. Only the nominative singular ever showed it. Adjectives that end in ER behave exactly the same way, and most of them decline like the word for field, dropping the E. The feminine and the neuter forms tell you which pattern to follow. Take the word for free.
Liber, libera, liberum.
The E is kept, so it follows the word for boy. Now the word for beautiful.
Pulcher, pulcra, pulcrum.
The E is dropped, so it follows the word for field. Read the feminine and you'll know at once. Hear these words at work in a passage about Italy.
Agriboni agricolis premia dant magna.
Good fields give great rewards to the farmers. There is the word for reward in the plural, the new neuter noun. And another line,
În agris populi romani laborant mulți servi.
In the fields of the Roman people, many slaves work. Listen to the first sentence once more.
Egri boni agricolis premia dant magna.
Now practice with a conversation. Cornelius asks Marcus what arms his son carries. Listen, then translate.
Scutum magnum et loricam duram et galeam pulcram portat.
He carries a large shield, a tough coat of mail, and a beautiful helmet. Each thing he carries stands in the accusative. Hear it again.
Scutum magnum et loricam duram et galeam pulcram portat.
Another from the same talk. The new preposition appears here. It means among and it takes the accusative. Translate this.
Legatus non est, sed est apud legionarios.
He is not a lieutenant, but he is among the legionary soldiers. After the new preposition, the noun is accusative plural. Long OS. Listen again.
Legatus non est, sed est apud legionarios.
One more, the other direction. The book asks you to decline pairs together. Try the genitive singular of the beautiful boy. Build it. The word for boy keeps its E and takes long I. The word for beautiful drops its E and takes long I too. Here it is.
Pueri pulchri.
Of the beautiful boy, a both genitive singular, both ending in long I, the E kept in one base and dropped in the other. So this lesson, a handful of second-declension masculine nouns end in ER or IR and drop the OUS ending. The word for boy, the word for field, the word for man. The genitive reveals the true base. Some keep the E like the word for boy. Most drop it like the word for field. Adjectives in ER follow the same split, and you gained 14 new words. Next lesson, we turn to the verbs. To practice what you just learned, this course has free exercises and AI-graded feedback on ludium.ai. The link is in the description.